After the rain stops and the sun comes out again, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. A rainbow has stripes of colors, starting with red and ending with purple. Each color shows up in a special order, making the rainbow look extra bright. Where do these amazing colors come from? Today, let's find out how rainbows appear in the sky. Aren't you excited to discover the secrets of rainbows? When the sun shines after the rain, something magical happens. Sunlight meets the tiny raindrops left in the air and on the grass. The light slips right inside those little drops. Inside each raindrop, the sunlight bounces around and bends in different directions. It's a bit like watching light dance inside a glass marble. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually made of many colors mixed together. When sunlight passes through a raindrop, it splits into separate colors. That's how we get red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That's why a rainbow is made of beautiful stripes, all lined up in a special order. Thanks to this trick with the light and raindrops, a rainbow appears in the sky. But have you ever wondered why rainbows always look like a half circle? Let's find out together. Even though we see just a half circle in the sky, a rainbow is really a giant full circle. It's kind of like a big see-through ball or umbrella floating in the air. When the sun shines behind us, each raindrop sparkles at a special angle. Because of this angle, a rainbow always forms a round shape. But the ground we stand on blocks the bottom part. That's why we only see the top half of the rainbow in the sky. What if you see a rainbow from a tall mountain or from an airplane window? Sometimes you can spot a rainbow as a perfect circle. Isn't that amazing? Now that you know why rainbows look like half circles, what will you remember next time you see one in the sky? Whenever you spot a rainbow, try to find the sun. The sun is always behind you when you see a rainbow. That's because rainbows appear in the sky opposite the sun. Did you know you can make your own rainbow at home? If you spray water from a hose or see a fountain on a sunny day, sunlight can shine through the tiny drops and create a little rainbow right in your yard. Isn't that cool? Have you noticed that the bottom of a rainbow never touches the ground? That's because the ground blocks part of the rainbow, so you only see the top half. Next time you see a rainbow, remember why it looks like a half circle. Talking about rainbows with your family can be a lot of fun. Let's quickly remember what we learned about rainbows today. Rainbows spread out in a big circle when sunlight shines through raindrops. But the ground gets in the way, so we only see the top half. That's why rainbows look like half circles in the sky. Today, we learned the secret of why rainbows look like arches in the sky. I can't wait to share another fun story with you next time.